Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this round of the Inter-School Debate Competition. The topic of today's debate is, this house believes that academics is more important than sports. To debate on this topic, we have Team Proposition that will support the motion and Team Opposition which will oppose the motion. Let's commence the debate with the opening speaker from Team Proposition, Xianhua.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed our honor to be participating in this debate. As Team Proposition, we stand here to speak in favor of the motion. This house, especially my team, does believe that academics are more important than sports. Having a sound education is important. It comes by studying books that forms the academic component of our education. Thus, academic is extremely significant. If you are good at your studies, invariably you end up securing a respectful and well-paying job. And how important is that in our lives? The skills you learn in school are vital for the futures and even your daily life. For example, math. If you didn't learn how to calculate, how will you know how to calculate your daily expenses? You can earn medals and accolades in school competitions. Like, for example, the spelling bee competition, the math Olympiad, the English Olympiad, and more. You can earn medals and certificates with academics. What is even more important is that unlike in sports, where a player's career span is often a few years or a decade, an academically qualified person can easily work up to 60 or 70 years of age if you have health permit. Thus, a career in academics beats a career in sports of its longevity. Now, let's talk about how academically inclined people have benefited the world. If it wasn't the scientific breakthroughs and people like Albert Einstein, we wouldn't have the futuristic and developed world we have today. Our world needs doctors, scientists, engineers, teachers, and researchers. And all of them boast of an academically sound background. In fact, when a sports person gets injured, they need a doctor too. When players travel from one place to another for their matches, they need engineering marvel called the epic. Thus, it's absolutely correct to believe that academics are more important than sports.
Thank you, Senwa. Now, I would like to invite the opening speaker from Team Opposition, Tanisha.
Good afternoon to this August gathering. As the team opposition, I stand before you to speak against the motion. This house, especially my team, does not believe that academics are more important than sports. We believe that sports are equally, if not more important than academics. Sports keep us healthy and fit. Not only that, it teaches us life skills such as determination, discipline, communication skills, leadership skills, and sportsmanship. Playing sports professionally is a skill itself. Unlike any other desk job, sports have numerous benefits. You have a longer lifespan as you will be more healthy. Even better, if you become a professional sports person, you'll have the honor to represent your country in the worldwide competitions such as the Olympics. You'll have the elusive opportunity to travel all over the world and spread your fame globally. The propositions also mention that the world remembers great scientists and technicians, while our world remembers and honors great sports persons across different eras in history. Michael Jordan, the famous basketball player, needs no introduction. Usain Bolt, also called the Lightning Bolt, will be studied in academics books as the greatest athlete of all times. Sports persons achieve indomitable human spirit. There is absolutely no way in which their effort and glory are less than others. Sports and sport persons deserve to be given the credit they deserve. Thank you.
Well said, Tanisha. To continue the debate further, I shall now invite the second speaker from Team Proposition, Kiran.
Good morning, dear panelists and members of the audience. Let me elaborate further on the significance of academics. The world just witnessed the COVID-19 pandemic. We would have lived in a state of perpetual lockdowns had the scientists and researchers not come up with the vaccinations. Over the history of mankind, we have been able to cure and eradicate illnesses like the plague and polio, among others. The human race has become healthier thanks to the medical science. What's interesting to note is that the good wealth that the sports person boasts of is thanks to a lot of biotechnology. The treadmills that players run on is also a scientific invention. The opposition mentioned that the sports persons are popular globally. Well, I would like to cite the names of scientists like Thomas Edison, Marie Curie, and Isaac Newton. Who doesn't know them? Mankind shall forever be grateful to them, and modern day scientists who are busy saving the planet from pollution and eliminate change will be the greats of tomorrow that we shall indebted to. Thus, academics are not just important, but absolutely vital. Thank you.
Thank you, Kieran. Let us now invite the second speaker from team opposition, Jennifer.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The opposition had mentioned that learning can only happen through books, but that simply is just not true, as learning can also happen in sports. In fact, sports teach us lessons that even books cannot teach us. We can also learn to live a healthier lifestyle by practicing sports regularly. Even those busy with studies need to take breaks and ensure that their body gets enough movement. Sports teach us self-awareness and also teach us self-discipline. What is important to notice is the education system is not fair, as subjects like math and science are given unfair advantages over subjects like art. Learning what you do not like adds a keeps stress and is not healthy. A child will never get a good career because of this. How about pursue sports to relax your mind instead? Moreover, so many students competing in education the pressure is tremendous. Even for jobs, hundreds of candidates apply. How is this fair? Wouldn't it be better if we had more sporting opportunities instead? Thank you.
Thank you, Jennifer. We shall now take this debate into its final round with the final speakers for both teams. Let's invite the final speaker from Team Proposition, Ashlyn.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Elaborating further on the significance of studies, let me emphasize that studying will require self-discipline, perseverance, and resilience. The world of academics is more competitive than sports, so doing well in studies is no small achievement. During COVID-19 pandemic, sports stopped but not studies. In fact, technological platforms like Zoom allow us to study from the safety of our homes. Phone calls and video calls allow us to stay connected with our loved ones. The opposition mentioned about studying being stressful. Is it not stressful to become a professional player? Is it easy to represent your country in sports? Are players never under pressure? Even sports persons tend to fall back on an academic career if their sporting career doesn't work. This is because there are more chances of succeeding in studies. Hence, a career in academics is not only stable but promising too. To conclude, I would re-emphasize that academics are vital for all of us, even for sports persons. The world would be illiterate without studies.
Hence, it is not surprising that academics are given more importance than sports. Thank you.
Thank you. And now the final speaker from team opposition, Joshua, will make his concluding speech.
Good afternoon, everyone. As my teammates have argued and already established how important sports are, let me now suitably conclude this debate by putting to rest arguments against sports. The proposition just argued that sports leaves us with injuries. Well, injuries can happen to anyone, anywhere. What about technical mishaps and accidents which do not happen due to sports? In fact, sports will give you a fitter body to deal with injuries better. The proposition also mentioned that by being good at academics, you will have a secure job till retirement. But I would beg to differ, as players might get to play till they are 35 or 40, but post that they might continue to work as coaches, trainers, and even managers of various sports clubs and teams. Sure, let me also touch you the topic of the COVID-19 pandemic. Without sports during the pandemic, people were prone to sickness and their physical health suffered. All of us yearn to be back in our gyms and neighborhood parks. After all, a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. And if sports are key to a healthy body and a healthy mind, they are certainly important for each and one of us. This is not to say that academics is not important, but it's incorrect to consider sports as less than academics. Sports are not just beneficial, they are essential. I would hereby conclude this enriching debate by underlining the significance of sports for each and one of us, irrespective of our age, gender, or even personal preference. Thank you.
Thank you very much, dear panelists. It has indeed been an enriching debate highlighting various perspectives on the issue. As we conclude this debate, we hope it has been an engrossing, enjoyable, and enriching experience for you all. Thank you.